What if I told you there's an SUV that combines brute force, timeless luxury, and an unmistakable road presence like no other? Meet the 2026 Mercedes G63 AMG, the king of performance. SUVs that continues to dominate both city streets and off-road trails with unmatched confidence. Welcome back to AutoNervex. Today we're diving deep into one of the most iconic and powerful SUVs of our time, the 2026 Mercedes G63 AMG. Mercedes-Benz has taken its legendary G-Wagon and pushed it to a new level of refinement, technology, and raw performance, creating a vehicle that's just as luxurious as it is ferocious. In this review, we'll explore the exterior design, interior upgrades, engine performance, driving dynamics, and of course, the price that makes the G63 such a statement of power and prestige. Let's begin with the exterior. The 2026 G63 AMG retains the instantly recognizable boxy silhouette that has made the G-Wagon an icon for decades, but it's been refined with modern touches. The front fascia boasts a bolder Panamericana grille flanked by updated round LED headlights with sharper signature DRLs. The hood sits tall with subtle power domes, while the squared-off stance is enhanced by flared wheel arches housing massive 22-inch AMG alloys. Down the sides, the flat panels and upright windows maintain its rugged, military-inspired heritage, yet premium chrome accents and flush door handles add a touch of sophistication. Around the back, the exposed spare wheel remains a signature element, now updated with a sleeker casing and LED taillights integrated into a cleaner bumper design. With a more aerodynamic profile, enhanced AMG details, and optional matte paint finishes, the G63 continues to stand as the ultimate symbol of power and exclusivity. Stepping inside, the cabin of the 2026 G63 AMG blends old-school toughness with ultra-modern luxury. The upright dashboard is finished in a mix of Nappa leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum, creating a sporty yet elegant atmosphere. A massive dual-screen layout stretches across the front with the latest MBUX infotainment system offering augmented reality navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and advanced AMG performance telemetry. The new 3D digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying everything from off-road settings to G-forces during hard acceleration. The AMG performance steering wheel comes wrapped in Alcantara with touch-sensitive controls, while ambient lighting in 64 colors enhances the mood. The seats are deeply supportive AMG Sport thrones with heating, ventilation, massage functions, and exquisite diamond stitching. Rear passengers enjoy executive-level legroom and comfort, complete with their own climate controls and entertainment screens. The Burmester 3D surround sound system fills the cabin with concert-like audio, making every drive feel special. Even though this SUV is built for power, it doesn't compromise on luxury, offering one of the finest interiors in its class. Now, let's talk performance. And this is where the G63 truly earns its AMG badge. Under the hood lies a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a staggering 600 horsepower and 665 pounds-ft of torque. Paired with a 9-speed AMG speed-shift automatic transmission and AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive, the G63 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, numbers once reserved for supercars. The suspension has been re-engineered with adaptive damping, offering a balance between comfort and razor-sharp handling. AMG ride control and multiple drive modes, including Trail, Sand, and Sport Plus, allow the G63 to conquer everything from smooth highways to rugged terrain. The exhaust system delivers an unmistakable growl, and with active flaps, it can switch from subtle refinement to aggressive thunder at the push of a button. Despite its size and weight, the G63 feels composed and confident, making every drive an event. Finally, pricing. The 2026 Mercedes G63 AMG continues to be a symbol of success and exclusivity, with a starting price of around $175,000, fully optioned with AMG night packages, carbon fiber trims, and exclusive paints. The price can easily cross $200,000, But for those who buy it, the G63 is not just an SUV, it's a lifestyle statement, a blend of performance, luxury, and heritage that few vehicles can match. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes G63 AMG is more than just a luxury SUV, it's a perfect fusion of aggressive styling, ultra-premium interiors, breathtaking V8 performance, and a commanding presence that makes it one of the most desirable vehicles in the world. Mercedes has managed to refine an icon without losing its soul, keeping the G-Wagon at the top of its game. If you're looking for an SUV that delivers supercar-like performance with everyday usability and undeniable road presence, the G63 AMG is in a league of its own. This has been AutoNervex bringing you the full review of the 2026 Mercedes G63 AMG. Stay tuned for more exciting car reviews and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in automotive excellence.